it's that time now where I'm going to do the service on the diesel heater. It's not going to be a full service, but every couple of months I've just got to check the inlet fan to make sure we've got nothing build up on it. Having the dog on board obviously causes a lot of airs and things. Our inlet draws from the side of the step just there, straight into the diesel heater, and then it's fed off obviously around in the pipe work. So while you watch, I thought I might as well do a quick video. Just open up, take this pipe off the back and just see what we've got inside. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's definitely ready. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Yep. Okay. Didn't realise, do you? How often you clean up the floor with the dog ears?
That's what you get when you have a Staffordshire bull terrier.
Yeah. So cute. Well worth the extra work. I've got a torch. Right, something I can see from this side. Let's take the player there now. Oh wow, a little bit inside that pipe. So, do you want to just fire that and hoover over this way a little bit more? Awesome. Beautiful. Right, okay. Yeah, just cleaned all that, otherwise if the dog ears start to go on there you're going to get a slight smell from it. Wow, that must have been losing so much efficiency from that fan. Oh, awesome. Not a long job, but definitely worth doing. Just a quick visual on everything as well. Just to make sure everything's good.
And you do have to do this every 3 months, don't you?
I'd recommend it around every couple of months, especially when you've got a pet on board, because
as you can see,
one thing I
it
always
gets
like
in
to do
there.
is just put my hands around the bottom of the exhaust port just to make sure, because obviously if there's anything coming back from there, I get a sutting at the bottom of it. Just check the inlet pipe, that's all good. Yeah, that's it. Just a quick visual all round on it, just make sure everything's okay. Fingers underneath the diesel dosing pump, that all looks good. It's not exactly a long job, but well worth doing, and now you've seen it done, I suppose most of you know how to do it. It's just worth going through. It's a video, innit? Right, awesome, there you go, all done. Put the floor back down.